Hello, this is Nate, and today I'm just going to walk you through here real quick how to get and use the driver incentive program application that we've built out in using our Power Apps thing through Microsoft. We made this thing in-house, and it's a pretty simple tool to use, but it's meant so that you, as the driver, can add things like DOT inspections or physicals or whatever to this application and get points for them, and ultimately build that rather than us, on the administrative side trying to keep those things and then having errors and issues keeping those things. So it's meant to benefit you and to make sure you get all your points for the incentive program. So I'm just going to walk you through the exercise of showing you how to get it on your phone, how it works, and how you can get to it more quickly. So the first thing in here is I've got an iPhone. If you've got an Android, it's the same process. It's just a different store that you go to, and but yeah, overall the same process. So getting into things here a little bit, I've got my iPhone up here, and I'm just going to go to my Apple Store. And I'm going to search for an app called Power Apps. I'm going to search. And you can see here we've got Power Apps. If I didn't already have it, it would just say install, and I just go ahead and install it to my phone. So being that I already have it installed to my phone, once it installs, you'll just see the little icon up here come up on your phone as installed, and then you just open it. So I'm actually going to reopen it because I had already had it open. So it's going to open. The first thing it's going to do is ask you for your login credentials before you hit what's actually in the app. Your login credentials are going to be just whatever you log into the computer with when you're on site. So your first name dot last name at Palmer Donovan or at Seal Right Door, and then followed by whatever your password is. If you have issues getting in with your password, if you need any help with that, please get with James Malik. His extension is 1233, or you can contact him at @at Palmer Donovan. Once you're in, you're going to see a list of all the applications that you have access to. I have a ton of apps because we make a lot of them, so mine isn't a good example, but for you, if you had access to any multitude of apps, you would just see them here. So the one that we're going to be talking about today is the driver incentive program application, and so I'm just going to walk you through how to use that. So you'll see this is the second one down for me. It will probably most likely be the first one that you see when you open up the Power Apps application. So I can click this, and it will take me to just a very simple looking app. So from here, you can just log the type of event. So we sent out the curriculum for you so you know what the points are for each one. But this is where you can go in and add, what you did. So let's say that you went to the monthly driver safety meeting. You showed up for that, and I believe that's 10 points. You can click on that, and then as a requirement, you have to show verification that you actually did it. So we're requiring that you take a photo to receive points of your attendance. So you can just take a quick picture, use photo. Then all you really have to do here is hit the checkbox at the bottom right side, and you're done. It goes into a system that calculates the points and gets a total for you. So at the end of the year, we can calculate your bonus. If you want to add another, you just hit the plus box right here, and you can add another event. So let's say you got a level 3 DOT inspection. I can't remember what the points were for that, but I know they're high. You would just add another photo. Use that photo and submit. So you notice in this application it doesn't make you fill out your name or anything, and that's because you've already logged into Microsoft. It already knows who you are. So you don't have to write your name or anything like that, and we've captured all of that in our system, so you're already good. So that's how you use it. If you did want to set it on your home page, So it just appears on your phone just as its own app. You can do that. And I know it's probably a little bit easier to do on an iPhone than it is an Android, so forgive me. I don't know the exact process, but I'm sure it's very similar. So to do that, you can just select the ellipses, and then you can select this little pin the home button. It's going to take you to Safari, where you click the little box with the arrow going up, and then look through until you find Add to Home Screen. It'll ask you what you want to call it. Call it Driver Incentive Program, add it, and you'll see that it pops up down here as Driver Incentive Program. And then from there, it's pretty easy. All you got to do is click on it. It'll take you straight to it, which is really nice. So again, that's all the Driver Incentive Program is. It's very easy to use, and it's meant so that you can get your points more quickly, and that everything gets logged in the system from you, rather than the administrative side screwing something up. So if you have questions on it, concerns on it, please feel free to get with myself, Nate Reynolds in Human Resources, or Tom Bartlett in Operations. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day.